Want to know how to customize CrankWheel for your brand to stand out and create a seamless experience for your customers? In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, so stick around to the end because you'll want to see a special offer just for you. Before we dive into customizing CrankWheel, remember you can try this software for free, and there's an exclusive bonus waiting for you with the link in the description below. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your brand's logo. This is crucial because it's one of the first things your clients will see when they connect with you via CrankWheel. Simply head over to your CrankWheel settings, find the branding section, and upload your logo. This gives your calls to action and product demos an instant professional touch. Next thing, let's talk about customizing your CrankWheel URL. You want it to be unique, professional, and on brand. It's easy to adjust, and here's the best part. By creating a branded URL, you're not just reinforcing your brand's image, but you're also making it easier for your customers to find and remember your CrankWheel page. The third thing you should do is adjust your color scheme. You can easily choose colors that match your brand's identity, from the background to button colors. Just head into the Appearance settings, select your brand's color palette, and make sure everything from your presentation to your call to action buttons is aligned with your company's style guide. A consistent color scheme builds trust and makes your content feel cohesive. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, customizing your message. With CrankWheel, you can set up personalized greetings that go out as soon as someone visits your page. This is a great opportunity to instantly connect with potential leads and let them know they're in the right place. A short, personalized message can make all the difference. Next, if you're working with a team, it's crucial to customize user roles. You can assign different levels of access to different members, which is useful if you have multiple salespeople or support agents using the platform. Go into your user settings to create custom roles and give them access to specific features based on their responsibilities. Lastly, make sure your CrankWheel experience is mobile-friendly. A huge percentage of users will access your page from a mobile device, so it's important to ensure that all your customizations, like logos, color schemes, and text, are displayed well on smaller screens. Check your settings and test on different devices to make sure your brand is presented smoothly across all platforms. Now that you know how to customize CrankWheel for your brand, there's something else I want to mention. If you head down to the description, you'll find a link that gives you access to an exclusive and extended free trial of CrankWheel. Don't miss out on this bonus. Start customizing and experience the full potential of CrankWheel for your brand today.